Hey guys, back for another shave. This time I'm really excited. As you can tell, I can hardly contain myself. I was involved in a PIF, which is a pay it forward, or pass it forward, or play it forward, however you want to call it, over on a forum called theoriginalsafety2.com. This one was for a lather catcher. It's a razor that I've never had any experience with at all. Put my name in the hat, figured, what's the heck? What could happen? I could win. Well, guess what? I won. And I am excited. So first thing that was sent in was some Colgate vintage shave soap. Second thing, POW blades. I'm really excited about that. Third thing was a custom brush. This brush is number 8 and was made by the gentleman that sent the package. But if all of that stuff's not cool enough, which by itself is amazing, lastly, this is the gym lather catcher. So open it up, it comes in this nice little nice box. You can see, have the handle and the head. So we'll go ahead and pop this out. We will assemble this real quick. It doesn't take long. Just simply screw it in. And there you have the razor. So we'll set that box aside real quick. Alright, so I've got my mug soap in my Vanderhagen bowl. I don't usually use a bowl, but I figured what better time to use one than with the soap. So got that in there. I'm just going to set that down in my hot water in the sink. I'm going to go ahead, and I've already actually taken a blade out to use because I didn't want to try to fumble with it on camera. So the way that this loads, flip the latch back, flip the top open, take your blade, set it on here, get it right underneath the catch. There we go. Close your cap, and you're loaded. I always like to check it, make sure it's lined up good. It is. So we'll drop that inside of our water as well. Let that blade start to heat up. And soak our brush. Let me set some of this stuff aside real fast. We'll be right back with you. It's going to be a little bit longer video, but I hope you guys stick around to see it because it's going to be really, really awesome. Alright. So we've got our razor soaking now. And we've got our brush. It's been in the water. We're just going to squeeze it out again. Stick it right back in, let it get good and hydrated. Gotta wipe my face down. This is a day and a half, 2-day growth. I purposely let it grow out for this shave. Alright, this is a brand new brush, so it's still breaking in. Take our mug here. We're going to start to build our lather. I'm just going to dip the tips in again, squeeze it out. And already, I mean, you can see already that it's already starting to bust open the lather. I like the smell of this soap. It's really, really nice. Really nice. Already got a great load on there. Go right into a face lather here. I'm going to just take a little bit more water on there. There we go. And into a face lather. And just as I thought, this Colgate soap is very slick. I can already tell that. There we go. It's a good heavy brush too. I like a good heavy brush. Gives a good feel in the hand. Yeah. Go back to the puck again. Load up some more. hair. That's okay. To be expected, it's a new brush. A little bit of water. Yeah, we'll get it lather out of here in no time, I promise. A couple more hairs coming out, but like I said, that's to be expected in a new brush. Nothing to worry about there. There we go. Not bad, not bad if I do say so myself. Alright, I'll take it. Alright, first pass. New lather catcher. I'm going to stretch your skin just a little bit here, get our angle, get started. And right away, find the angle. It's not hard to do on these at all. You guys can hear that good feedback. There we go. All right. I'll take it. Oh, I like it so far. I like it a lot. It's a good sharp blade too. All right. Feel so far? Yeah. Not bad at all. Go ahead and re-lather up for pass 2. I may have to reload the brush here. I'm going to reload the brush real quick. Just until I figure out exactly how much soap I need on the first pass on it, I'll have to reload the brush. There we go. Just a little bit of water dribble on there. Come back for a second pass here. Relather. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Now we're getting somewhere. See, we're starting to figure it out here, guys. I knew we would. This Colgate soap lathers up good. Good. There we go. Yeah. Need just a little bit more water in it. There we go. That's what I like to see. Kind of like it pushing the lather up around the face. Now we'll come back and paint it on here. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. Alright. Second pass can be across the grin. I always start at the neck on the second pass. Alright, I got a hair underneath my blade, so I gotta stop and try to Get that off real fast. Alright, there we go. I'm going to wipe that off real quick. Reload here in just a second. There we go. Alright, we're back in business now. Again, across the grain. Alright. There we go. Now, it may look like I'm really gripping on the razor, but I'm not. I'm just holding onto it firm. But it is a little bit lighter razor than usual, which is not a bad thing. I'm just still trying to get used to it. Alright, third pass. This is the all important one right here. Actually, some people say that they don't like this, how scrunchy, I guess, or scratchy, or scritchy, or whatever it is you want to call it, about some of these new brushes. I kind of like it, actually. I kind of think it feels good on the skin, kind of exfoliates. But maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm just a little off. Incorporate a little bit more water into it. There we go. Go until we find out exactly how much water this is going to take. It'll just be trial and error, I suppose. There we go. Voluminous amounts of lather coming out of the brush now, as you can see. Alright, there we go. Third pass. I never get it all the way clean on my neck. It just, one of those things just doesn't happen. But this will work. This will work real well. Come back over to this side. There we go. I'm going at a diagonal right here. There we go. A little bit more down here on the bottom. Cross right here. There we go. A little bit more right there. Alright, just last and final touch-up pass and we'll be good to go. I already know I'm going to need some more right there. That's just one of the deals. I always have to get a little bit more right here on this spot. And a little bit more on the cheeks. It's always one of the roughest spots for me to get to. There we go. A little lather right there. Plenty of lather still in the brush. Plenty of it. we go. Got a hair on it. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna come get the neck one more time. There we go. So there you have it, guys. There's the lather catcher in all of its glory. Beautiful shave today. Just gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and dry my face off real fast. Can't say enough about the about those blades. I'm going to have to buy some more of them because they're really good blades. They're really sharp and got a good shave with them. So let's get some aftershave on and we'll finish up here. Alright, so we're going to go with some Brut today. It just seems kind of appropriate. Yeah, this is not the original Brut, this is the new Brut, but it'll still work. Oh yeah. Good burn. I remember my dad using Brut when I was a kid, so it always brings back good memories for me. Okay guys, so there you have it. That was my first lather catcher shave. What a shave it was, and I'm super excited to have this in my arsenal now. I rank this probably right up next to my Schick injector, but barely. I mean, they're neck and neck. I mean, I do miss a little bit right there, but that's okay for the first time. They're neck and neck, and I don't know which one's the better yet. But I can tell you one thing,